When the temperatures drop and winter's chill sets in, choosing the right outerwear becomes essential. But with so many options available, it can be hard to determine what will keep you warm without sacrificing comfort or style. Two of the most popular choices for cold weather gear are parkas and jackets. But what exactly sets them apart? While both are designed to shield you from the elements, they serve different purposes and excel in different conditions. Whether you're braving sub-zero temperatures in the Arctic or simply looking for something to wear on a brisk autumn day, understanding the key differences between parkas and jackets can help you make an informed decision. Design. Parkas are designed primarily for cold weather protection. Their origins trace back to the Inuit people, who created these garments to survive in freezing Arctic conditions. Modern parkas retain this focus on warmth and protection. They feature a longer cut to cover more of the body, often extending below the waist to mid-thigh or even knee length. Parkas are typically bulkier than jackets due to their heavy insulation and thick outer shell. Many parkas come with detachable or adjustable hoods that are often trimmed with faux or real fur to protect the face from wind and snow. The design is functional, focusing on warmth and coverage rather than sleekness or minimalism. Jackets come in a wide variety of designs based on their intended use. Some jackets are lightweight and designed for mild weather, like windbreakers, while others are insulated for colder conditions, like down jackets. Jackets generally have a shorter cut, ending at the waist or hips, which allows for greater freedom of movement. The design of a jacket can range from casual, bomber jackets, to technical, ski jackets, making them more versatile in terms of style. Jackets may or may not include hoods, and the level of insulation varies widely depending on their purpose. Length. One of the most distinctive features of a parka is its length. Parkas are designed to extend below the waist, often covering the hips, thighs, or even reaching down to the knees. This extra length provides additional warmth by covering more of the body and helps block cold air from entering underneath the garment. The longer length also makes parkas ideal for standing still in cold weather or low-activity situations where heat retention is crucial. Jackets are generally shorter than parkas. Most jackets end at the waist or just below it, offering less coverage than parkas. While this shorter length allows for greater mobility and range of motion, it also means that jackets provide less protection against cold air entering from below. For activities that require high levels of movement, such as hiking or skiing, this shorter cut can be advantageous because it reduces bulk and allows for easier movement. Materials. Parkas are typically made from durable materials like nylon, polyester, or cotton blends that are treated with water-resistant coatings such as DWR, durable water repellent. These materials help protect against snow and rain while retaining warmth. The insulation in parkas is usually either down, feathers from ducks or geese, or synthetic fill, such as Primaloft registered or Thinsulate trademark. Down insulation tends to be warmer and lighter, but loses its insulating properties when wet unless treated with water-resistant coatings. Synthetic insulation is bulkier, but performs better in wet conditions. The materials used in jackets vary widely depending on their intended use. Lightweight jackets like windbreakers may be made from breathable fabrics such as nylon or polyester with minimal insulation. Winter jackets may use similar materials as parkas, but offer less insulation overall since they are designed for moderate cold rather than extreme conditions. Some technical jackets feature advanced fabrics like Gore-Tex registered for waterproofing and breathability, while casual jackets might use cotton blends for comfort. Insulation and warmth. Parkas are heavily insulated to provide maximum warmth in freezing temperatures. The insulation is often down or synthetic fill, both of which trap body heat effectively by creating pockets of warm air within the garment. Down-filled parkas tend to be lighter while offering superior warmth to weight ratios compared to synthetic alternatives. However, they can lose their insulating properties when wet unless treated with hydrophobic coatings. Synthetic insulation is bulkier, but retains its ability to insulate even when damp, making it a better choice for wet climates. The longer length of a parka also helps trap heat by covering more of your body compared to a jacket. Parkas may also feature additional design elements like storm flaps over zippers and adjustable cuffs to further prevent heat loss. Jackets can be insulated, but generally offer less warmth compared to parkas due to their shorter length and lighter insulation. Down jackets provide excellent warmth-to-weight ratios, but may not cover as much of your body as a parka would in extreme cold conditions. For milder winter conditions or high-energy activities like skiing or snowboarding, where mobility is important but warmth is still needed, insulated jackets with synthetic fill might be preferable because they offer decent warmth without being too bulky. Windproofing and waterproofing. Most parkas are designed with windproofing and waterproofing features because they're intended for harsh winter conditions where snowstorms and freezing rain are common. The outer shell is often treated with water-repellent coatings like DWR, durable water repellent, that cause water droplets to bead up and roll off rather than soaking into the fabric. Many parkas also have seam seal construction to prevent water from seeping through stitching lines. Windproofing is another key feature. Parkas often utilize tightly woven fabrics that block cold winds from penetrating the garment. Features like storm flaps over zippers and adjustable hoods help enhance protection against wind. Not all jackets come with windproofing and waterproofing features. It depends on their intended use. Technical outdoor jackets designed for activities like mountaineering or skiing often have advanced waterproof membranes like Gore-Tex registered that provide both waterproofing and breathability. Casual jackets may not offer these features at all unless they are specifically designed for wet weather, such as rain jackets. Windproofing is similarly variable. Some lightweight jackets may offer little protection against strong winds, while others, like softshells, are specifically designed to block wind. Occasion. Parkas are best suited for low-activity outdoor situations in extremely cold climates where maintaining warmth is crucial. They're ideal for activities such as walking outdoors in winter, commuting in freezing temperatures, standing still for long periods in harsh weather, waiting for public transport. Due to their bulkiness and heavy insulation, parkas can be too warm for high-energy activities like hiking or skiing unless you're in extremely cold conditions. Jackets are more versatile when it comes to occasions because they come in different styles suited for various climates and activities. Lightweight jackets like windbreakers can be worn during spring or fall when temperatures are mild. Insulated winter jackets can handle moderately cold conditions while allowing more freedom of movement than a parka. Technical outdoor jackets are ideal for active pursuits like hiking, skiing, snowboarding, etc., where mobility is important, but some level of protection against cold/wind/rain is still needed. Packing and travel. One downside of parkas is their bulkiness. They take up more space when packed due to their longer length and heavier insulation compared to most jackets. This makes them less convenient for travel if you need lightweight gear that can easily fit into a backpack or suitcase. Some modern parkas do offer packable designs where they can be compressed into smaller sizes using stuff sacks. However, they will still take up more room than most lightweight jackets due to their size/insulation levels. Jackets tend to be lighter than parkas, which makes them easier pack/carry during travel, especially if you're trying to save space/weight inside luggage/backpacks. Many lightweight jackets are designed to be packable, with some even featuring built-in stuff sacks or pockets that allow the jacket to compress into a small, portable size. This makes jackets a better option for travel, especially if you're moving between different climates or need to carry your outerwear in a backpack. Down jackets, in particular, can be highly compressible while still providing warmth, making them ideal for travelers who need to pack light. Price range. Due to their heavy insulation, longer length, and added features like fur-lined hoods or advanced waterproofing materials, parkas tend to be more expensive than most standard jackets. High-quality down-filled parkas from reputable brands can cost several $100s depending on the materials used. E.G. Real down versus synthetic fill, and additional features, E.G. Waterproof membranes. However, the investment may be worth it if you live in an area with harsh winters where warmth is essential. Jackets come in a wide range of prices depending on their design and intended use. Lightweight casual jackets may cost under $100, while technical outdoor jackets with advanced features like Gore-Tex registered membranes can cost several $100s, similar to Parkas. However, because there's such variety available when it comes to choosing between different types/styles/brands, finding something within your budget shouldn't be difficult. So, which one is better? Choosing between a parka and a jacket depends largely on your specific needs. If you live in an area with extremely cold winters where temperatures regularly drop below freezing and you're not engaging in high-energy activities, a parka is likely your best bet due to its superior warmth coverage. On the other hand, if versatility matters more, whether because travel frequently across different climates, participate outdoor sports, or simply prefer something lighter weight, easier pack away, then opting jacket.